Hello students, once again this is Professor Sanjay Gupta with a lecture of fluid mechanics. Today we have today I have one of the most important topic of boundary layer theory, that is momentum integral equation, which are generally used for laminar, turbulent and transition boundary layer calculation. With the help of this equation we can be calculate that is shear stress, drag force. Now we are going to start the derivation which are generally asked in universities. Here we have a very thin plate, small x, the distance from the leading edge, del x, del is the distance from the leading edge, is that is small distance from the leading edge, a, b, c, d. We are considering a small thickness plate, AD, that is entering point, BC, that is a leaving point, DC is another the entering point. Capital U is the free stream velocity. Small u can be considered the velocity at any point of the boundary. According to Newton's law of viscosity, tau naught equal to mu du upon dy at the distance of y equal to 0, where du upon dy y equal to 0, the velocity distribution near the plate at y equal to 0. Now drag force the shear stress into area, that area del x for the small strip, that is thickness del x and the width of the plate small b. So now the drag force del fd equal to shear stress, that is tau naught into del x into b. The, drag force can also be calculated by equating the rate of change of momentum over the distance del x. Let ABCD is the control volume of the fluid over the distance del x, and edge DC also represents the outer edge of the boundary layer. According to the continuity equation for a steady incompressible flow, according to the continuity equation, mass rate of flow entering equal to mass rate of flow leaving. Mass rate of flow entering AD plus mass rate of flow entering DC equal to mass rate of flow BC. Here we are going to calculate mass rate of flow DC. Mass flow rate of entering, that is a mass flow rate of DC equal to mass rate of flow leaving BC minus mass rate of flow entering AD. Now the mass rate of flow entering through the side AD equal to, that is mass flow rate M equal to rho into V, that is rho into velocity into width B into dy, that is B into dy, that is called area of the strip, that is mass rate of flow entering through the side AD equal to integration of 0 to delta rho u B dy, and leaving the side BC equal to mass rate of flow entering AD plus del upon del x mass through AD into delta x. Now integration of 0 to delta rho u B dy plus, that is one thing I am missing here, this is integration of 0 to delta rho u B dy plus del upon del x integration of 0 to delta rho u B dy into del x. Now the mass rate of flow entering DC equal to mass rate of flow through BC minus mass rate of flow AD. Putting the value of leaving the side BC minus entering the side AD, we have got del upon del x integration of 0 to delta rho u B dy plus del x. Now momentum flux through the control volume. It is similar to just like when I used the continuity equation, that is rate of change of momentum of the control volume equal to momentum flux through BC minus momentum flux through AD minus momentum flux through BC. Now the momentum flux through entering a side, the side AD equal to, we just here to multiply with the velocity from the mass flow rate. We have find the mass flow through AD equal to integration of 0 to delta rho u b dy. Now the multiplying with the velocity small boundary velocity small u, that is equal to 0 to delta rho u square b dy, and the momentum flux leaving the side BC, integration of 0 to delta rho u square again multiplied with u plus del upon del x, integration 0 to delta small u, again we multiplied here small u, then rho u square b d by that into delta x. Now mass momentum flux entering the side dc equal to the value of mass flow rate through dc into multiply the velocity, that is free stream velocity. Here we multiply with free stream velocity, and above we multiply the velocity of the boundary. Now integration of 0 del upon del x, integration of 0 to delta rho u b d by capital U into delta x. Putting the value of mass momentum flux through BC, momentum flux through AD, and momentum flux through DC, we have got the value. After putting the value of all these, we have got delta upon del x rho b integration of 0 to delta small u square minus small u into capital U d by into del x. If the flow is incompressible, means density is constant, then the value final value is rho b del upon del x integration of 0 to delta small u square minus small u into capital U d by into delta x. According to the momentum principle, the rate of change of momentum on the control volume ABCD must be equal to the total force on the control volume. If there is no external pressure on the control volume, which means del P upon del X is 0, and the side DC have the negligible velocity, that is velocity gradient is also approximately 0. Now the drag force del Fd equal to, already we have studied in at the starting, the drag force del Fd equal to tau naught del x into b. Therefore, total external force in the direction of rate of change of momentum equal to, that is minus tau naught del x into b. According to the momentum principle, minus tau naught del x plus b equal to rho b del upon del x integration of 0 to delta u small u square minus small u into capital U into dy into delta x. Cancelling del x plus b on both sides, we find the value minus tau naught equal to rho into del upon del x integration of 0 to delta small u square minus small u into capital U into dy. After simplification, we have find the final value tau naught equal to rho u square equal to del upon del x integration of 0 to delta small u upon capital U into 1 minus small u upon capital U into dy. This is another the most important parameters which I have already discussed in my first lecture. This is called momentum thickness, which are denoted by theta. Now the equation 4 becomes tau naught upon rho u square equal to del theta upon del x. The equation 5 is also known as von Karman momentum integral equation for boundary layer flow. This is applied to laminar boundary layers, transition boundary layers, and turbulent boundary layers flow. With the help of this equation, we can also be calculate shear stress, drag force, and some another parameters we can be calculate with the help of this equation. The total drag force Fd can be calculated, that integration of 0 to L tau naught into B into dx. With the help of this equation we calculate local coefficient of drag, which is defined as the ratio of shear stress tau naught to the quantity 1 upon 2 rho u square denoted by CD star, and average coefficient of drag, that is denoted by CD. It is defined as the ratio of total drag force, that is FD, to the quantity 1 upon 2 rho u square. It is also called coefficient of drag and denoted by CD. Rho, that is mass density of the fluid, capital U, that is free stream velocity, and capital A, area of the surface, या area of the plate. That is boundary condition for the velocity profile at small y equal to 0, small u equal to 0, and du upon dy has some finite value, and if y equal to delta small u is equal to capital U, that is small u boundary velocity at the boundary equal to free stream velocity, at y equal to delta the thickness, that delta the boundary layer thickness, at y equal to delta du upon dy equal to 0. Thank you. Stay at home. Be safe.